Akpade has been giving you gifts. Your bathing water is ready. How did you get them in so fast? There's a mother-in-law and to learn new ways of doing things. Look at him.
You have 5 seconds, please. You are.
Reason, don't shout. Ode Jimmy, is that you? Ode Jimmy, please talk to me. Say something, anything.
Who's calling my name? Who are you? What are you doing in my room?
It's me, your wife, Awero.
Wife? You knew me before?
Some of them went back to their village last night. The rest are in my house right now. Some hunters are watching over them until we decide what to do.
That exactly is the thing now. What do we do? I have lived through the reigns of 2 baales before me. And I never had any kind of this abomination in Agbede. So what do we do?
My own position is that we round up the wedding party from Morita this evening and send back their people to their village. But we must keep their daughter of shame here until Orita is ready to explain why they have chosen to send us a broken pot.
I understand your position on this matter, Korede. But Kabiyesi, I will suggest we take this matter softly. And if we don't allow this girl to go back to her parents, we all know what it means. So let us send her back to her parents. And I will suggest we send 2 of our elders to follow her to Orita. From there, we will see her parents. We will even see the baale. The baale there will be able to explain to us what made them send us.
There is no explanation, MUYIWA. It was a planned thing, I tell you. I was the intermediary, remember? And I should have known that something was not right. Our Awero's parents accepted Odejimi too quickly. And they were fast in setting the marriage date after the bride price was paid.
Are you saying they knew? Which means our Awero parents knew that she was a broken pot.
That's exactly what he's saying. They knew. And we all know what happens to a family when the broken pot goes into it. Yes, at Aladiye village. 30 or was it 40 years ago? The girl's name was Blackpimo. She became mad after the thing happened. But what good did that do to the family whose son was married to her? Within 5 years, 9 members of the family died. I say let's keep their broken pot and do whatever we like with her until we force Orita to pay us the debt they now owe us. It is well. MUYIWA and Korede, you can go now.
It's all right.
But make sure the guy is safe. Nothing must happen to the guy.
We shall take care of her.
Please.
We shall take care of her.
Thank you.
Mama, máa lọ dúró ṣeun obìnrin ṣe. Ò bá máa lọ Àwẹ̀rò ò bá máa lọ gbáyé ṣeun obìnrin ṣe. Ò bá dúró fi inú ṣoyún
dúró ṣeun obìnrin ṣe o.
Ò bá gbáyé fẹ̀yìn gbọ́mọ pọn
gbáyé ṣeun obìnrin ṣe o.
Ò bá máa lọ Àwẹ̀rò ò bá máa lọ gbáyé ṣeun obìnrin ṣe. Ò bá máa lọ Àwẹ̀rò ò bá máa lọ dúró ṣeun obìnrin ṣe o.
That is enough, Jibosa. Be a man.
No, Lawi, please leave him. Let him cry. Man must cry sometimes. Tears are like soap to the human heart. They wash away our pains.
Then we should tell Jibosa to get up and do what should be done, and not to watch him cry like a woman.
But what do you advise we do now? Jibosa said Awero will not tell him anything.
Then he makes her. What are we talking about here? What exactly are we talking about here? Is Awero the head of this family?
No.
Were you born yesterday, Jibosa, that you need a meeting of the village elders to make your own child tell you what you want to know?
Shokota has a point there. I mean, we all have to find a way to make Awero tell the truth about this shame. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what our people in Abeni will do next.
What can they do? Thank God they have returned Awero to us without harming her. What else can...
But the fact that nobody followed them here, no one from Abeni has come here to say anything. Don't you find that strange? Don't you find that dangerous?
What is it?
Where is he? Where is your husband? I say, where is he?
So you did it. You kept me hidden here until this morning. Why did they take Awero away?
I did not let them, Mother Jimmy. Bale and the elder decided to send Awero back to our village. They left yesterday evening.
Just like that? Just like that? A girl, our family, and our village brought a taboo onto the house of Ode Jimmy, and our elders let her go. Bogude, you allowed them to do that?
Maybe it's all for the best, but Jimmy.
No, please, keep out of this.
Wumi, please go away.
Bogude, I'm asking you. You allowed them to do that kind of thing to me?
Look! If you think you can handle this matter alone, then go ahead!
Yes, I will. Because I am the one, not any one of you. I, Ode Jimmy, I am the one that was cheated.
Then why did you come empty-handed? Go home and pick your gun. I will take you to Orita to meet Awero myself.
I will do it.
Yes, Idowu? What happened?
Nothing. Ego, let me see you.
No, say it here.
Idowu, whatever it is, say it.
Ego, it's Lapade.
Lapade?
The goldsmith from Maku village. People saw him with 2 other men coming here.
Only 2 men?
Anyway, that's what they say. I didn't see myself.
Lapade, what could this stupid man be up to now? Look, Odejimi. Go home. Please. In the name of Ogun, please, go back to your house.
Yes, I will go home.
Quick! Get a few men and meet me at Uncle Kode's house.
I will do that.
Wumi, I've gone.
Why do you ask?
Because this village belongs to us. And we want to know who goes in or what comes out and why.
There is a war going on in the area. We didn't even know about it. That is why you've not seen us with guns or machetes. As you can see.
We thought that anyone could go out at any
We are not here to trade words with you. We want you to get out of Abeni now.
Okay. It is well. You know me. I'm a trader in gold from Aku village. And these men are learning the trade from me.
Don't tell us what you want here.
To trade, of course. What else? We heard that there's a newly married man here in Abeni. And we have come to sell gold and chains to the new wife. I think our journey is very good here today because we are going to have good sales here.
Lapadi, listen to me very well and listen with the ears of an adult. I want you to forget this childish game you have brought these men to play here and go back to your village now.
Childish? I said we have come here to...
We all know that you have not come here to sell any silver or gold. Lakpade, you are here to laugh. And I think we have had enough of that already.
Awero, I ask you.
I'm listening, Mother. I'm here with you.
Are you doing this just to hurt your father and I? Is it that you don't know the terrible thing this thing can cause, or you simply don't care?
Please, Siyama. Please don't say that. I care. I care, and everything inside of me is crying for bringing all this on you.
Then name this man. Do you want your father to kill you?
Try to understand me, Mother. The man, or whoever I name as responsible for this, he will surely deny it. And the village, the elders, everybody in the village will believe him, since I have no witness. And the shame, the blame will still be mine, not the man's.
Is it not better?
If they believe me, Mother, what will they do to the man?
The elders will force him to marry you.
That's if they can lay hands on him.
Hey, yes, that is something. So that means, and now we are getting somewhere. That means the man is not from Orita village. Tell me, Awero, is it Lakpade, the gold trader?
It's not Lakpade. What I am saying is this. The elders will order him to marry me, but they can't force him. And if I don't want to marry him because I don't love him, even if I marry him, I will still have destroyed your name in the village.
Awero, do you know that if you refuse to name this man, the elders will force you to dance naked in the village square until you confess? Are you ready to face this? Awero?
I will dance naked for them every day for 1 year if they want. But they will never hear a word from me.
Awero?
When the village gets tired of seeing my nakedness, they will either kill me or let me be. Am I not naked already? Is my shame not opened for everybody to see? If I name the man, will you remove my shame or cover my nakedness?
Awero? Awero?
Shubomi, it's happened. It's happened.
What? What is it, Abike?
Agbede people are bringing water to Rita. I said it. Didn't I say it, Shubomi? When no one from Agbede followed us when we were bringing back Awero with our virginity matters, I said these people are planning something evil. I said it.
What has happened now, Abike? Are they coming already? Did you see them?
Lakpade, the gold trader from Aku. I met him on the road. He came to warn our men. He said that Agbede people are not allowing any visitor to enter their village.
Wait, everybody. Abike, did Lapade see this with his own eyes, or he had a rumor?
What kind of question is that? Will Lapade come and tell us lies?
I didn't say he was lying.
Lapade said he went with his bag to sell at Agbede and they were chased out with guns and machetes.
Happened before in Ileri. Our prayer is that it never happen again.
Amen.
The two evildoers will be punished as our father used to punish them. Awero will be made to dance half naked in the center of Orita village to our stream and back.
But we have to find the man or boy first. That is why we asked you to give us a little more time. Our arms have not been folded at Orita. We are working on it.
That is all we have come for. That is what our Bale has put in our mouths.
The salt and the bitter cola lie in your mouth. You have heard our in-laws from Orita.
Thank you. I have heard them and I have my reply ready. I am Odejimi and I was born by this woman here, to Kunle and Lawal. And these are my fathers. So I am not the one that has to go back to his home before giving the right reply to an insult.
Yes.
Good of you. Now, I have my reply ready, but I want to ask three simple questions from you. What exactly do you expect to hear from Awero? That the man who took our virginity has used a powerful charm on her or what? Because we all know that only a loose girl can be taken against our wish by any man. So you go into a secret talk with Awero and now come out and say, such and such a man did it by using a powerful charm on her. Is that the plan?
No, Odejimi. We will question Awero in the presence of...
I have not finished. Thank you. Now, my second question. This one. Yes. This one said this has happened before. Yes, we all know. Everybody knows that. All the musicians and all the storytellers from all the villages from Ileri say it every day. It happened in Aladiye village about 30 years before now. It also happened at Odoigbo village 20 years before that time. So, because it has happened before, I should now be happy that my own village and my family name should not be added to that list of shame. Yeah. Now, my last question goes to you. Or is it you? One of you said you will get Awero to confess by making her dance naked in the public. And I ask you, what happens after that? You will find the man who did it and now force him to marry Awero, or you will come back here to beg me, Odejimi, the son of CORDELIA to continue being the husband of a woman who has danced naked in the front of the square? While our shameless in-laws think about the answers to my three questions, my reply is ready. That is my reply. Odejimi.